Good morning, everybody. Bright and early on this beautiful Monday morning here, just fresh off the PDCA Expo. I am chock full of ideas. We got lots of stuff going on. I just thought I'd show you a quick job site walkthrough. Go right ahead. So we're here. We have 3 of my crews on this job site. We're going to be working through this house methodically here. This nice, beautiful one here, Parker, past apprentice of mine. Thank you for watching. So let's take it through here. There's John, my head of training. We're getting all the other apprentices moving here. You can see we're in full effect. We got some prep happening here. We're adjusting here. Getting all prepped up, ready to go. So we'll take you upstairs here and kind of show you what's going on too. Got my right-hand man here. He's around here somewhere. He's leading this job up. There's my right-hand man right there. So we're going to be kind of methodically working through this one here. These are fun projects where we can park ourselves for a while and just keep working through here. So we'll go back into the master suite. There's one of the work trucks leaving. All right, so this is going to be a fun one. I've been doing so much Ask a Painter stuff from paint factories and from all this other stuff. I thought I would just say we do actually do some painting every once in a while, and it's not all just education and paint factories. So yeah, this is a fun one here. The homeowner's going to be home in a few minutes, and we're going to walk through and just verify all the colors and finishes, and then I'm on with my day. So everybody have a good day, and we will talk to you later.